Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Japan don't beat Australia 2-1, and wetin make this news dey significant be say our super defender Tomiyasu Tahakiro follow play for that match. And another thing make the match dey very important and sweet be say Australia don dey like 11 matches unbeaten, then get consecutive wins, back-to-back wins, 11 matches. No be small thing o. So Japan can't help them scatter that their 11 match win, and our Tomiyasu follow them for the heart of everything positive as he help Japan win the 2-1. So they're very happy for the guy as they continue in form from where he stopped from Arsenal, come carry and go international stage, come continue like that, and hopefully because now everybody will done they come back now, so they'll come back, come prepare for the match they go play against Crystal Palace. So I want to see how he go fare against Crystal Palace. Whether I go there in direct proportion with Zaha, we never know. So I just hope so the guy will come back on skate. See nobody will injure him and just come back, come slotting for a right back. Surprise, Thomas Partey don't score again for Ghana as Ghana beat Zimbabwe 1-0, and this guy scored one spectacular free kick. This one not shock me now because this guy don't score 2-2 for Ghana now. But if you come for Arsenal, he could struggle to score. I don't understand why it can't be like that now. Even when he did for Atletico Madrid, the guy the boss net too. I don't know why he can't come for Arsenal now to score. It can't be like say he did very, very hard. Like I thought before, so we can make them call a special trainer. We're going to teach him how to wipe shot, because if this guy just wipe long shots, just like saying they waste ball. If you're making the wipe shot again, I saw some fans they talk say if you just boy don't near 80 no wipe shot, just give him to Saka or give him to Aubameyang, because if you wipe shot now waste, just pass the ball to show the lack of confidence we fans get for where party be. But now Baba don't go for Ghana setting, now can't go score, so I don't understand. I'm a familiar setting. They they ask Bellerin say how far now, say after your loan don't end, actually they go back to Arsenal. More no ask go sub. So Baba come to say say that question they very, very tricky. But the truth be say if to say he won't come Betis, can't stay, can't they go back. If I don't come at all, now say imply me say if he come here, he go play well, let them see how they play, style of play. They're going to say okay, style of play complements their own pattern of play. Then they go retain her. Say the fact that they call him loan no mean say na loan we just day after loan when you go back Arsenal. But if you want to go back go do for Arsenal, because Arsenal don't get Tomiyasu, they still get Cedric Suarez, they still get Callum Chambers. Say no, it don't make sense. And even say instrument and Niles don't talk say okay, in they ready to play that right back as long as he will give him more game time. You got to talk say make Bellerin got to go back. No, it don't make sense. So Baba Conto say he no sure saying they go back, saying would like to stay for Betis, make them sign him officially. Kevin Campbell, one of our top pundits, don't come outside the chook mouth for this Sevilla El Nesiri player. So Baba Conto talks so almost say he love this guy so much. And what's he making like the guy to say? The guy is very, very skillful. The guy is very, very fast. He's very pacey. And the guy get eye for goal. The guy they take posts. I just see posts like this or more. Like to post net me. Oh no. Say the guy na person be say if you get him for that front, saying go cause a lot of damage. The guy na massive threat because a person be say if you hold ball one-on-one with defender or more, you don't kill that defender. Even do one against two defenders because no, if they play against person be say this skillful and can't fast, and all those kind of things. When last you see Aubameyang do like that, when last you see Lacazette do like that, say direct, you face one defender, they run. See the ways like Salah they do now, or see the way Ronaldo they do now. You say go ball, go make defender, cut, go out, those kind of things. No get anybody they do. So that kind of person I NS3P, so I don't know. But even I check Morocco lineup for their last match, they don't call the guy no play, so I don't know what it's up. But I know they join them, maybe because they don't already qualify, they can't they rest all their senior men. So apart from that, well, I never know as everything will solve. So I would like more to sign the guy, even though in the go join Nations Cup, more just sign him first. Just sign him. Then after the Nations Cup, he will join us. Because this guy in stock will still rise. So last season the guy scored 24 goals. So the guy is boss net week in week out. I would say make I like the guy. So if you come for this guy Arsenal setting, we'll be say with the create chances well and people will get for front, see no fit scorer. This guy will collect top goal scorer well for Arsenal. Galatasaray coach that they call Faith Terim don't tell the club hierarchy say the only thing that go fit do for me now will be say I go dey happy with una be say for January make I go sign Mohamed El Neni from Arsenal, sign and come for me. I need the guy dey part of my plans. I need them bad. So I know say Elneny now since they Baba na surplus to requirement for Arsenal. I don't really dey play anything you get. So even himself don dey complain to the coaches say, "Omo, from that in January, if my situation no improve, I go find my square root. I go find my square." This guy nearly move now before the season start now, but all of a sudden the move no materialize. So I tell am saying they part of him plan, me no worry, saying go play. But see now Baba no dey play now, so now only cup in the play. And the reason be say we don't get over squad players, especially when everybody don't dey fit. Ateta no go know who he go choose because he don't dey spoiled with multiple options for all your positions. If they say now we dey go Europa League now, it for dey very easy. But now we say we dey play just league and we dey play just cup, it go hard. A lot of people go dey for Benjamin where. So I don't know. Shey una feel say make this guy find square root. I be most still keep am. If we wan keep am, wetin we wan use am dey do now? People go still buy more helping hands. So wetin una think? For our question and answer session wey Arsenal dey do with Sambi Lokonga, so dem come dey ask Baba say wetin be im preferred position. So Baba come dey talk say for him he go like to play number 8, that box to box midfielder. So na wetin dey like because he dey like to dey attack and he dey like to dey defend. He no dey like to dey static like say just stay here, hold, like holding midfield, just hold, don't leave your position. Say the only time when you go forward, now maybe you want just drive, only pass, you can't go back. Say no, they like that one. Say they like freedom. Say me, they just give them the freedom. So when they use scope, tell Ateta say, "Omo, the kind of thing why they like with this." But we never know whether Ateta go change the mind. Say, "Okay, no, Yawan, I'm moving forward. I will give you that freedom, make it go forward." You never know. Surprise, as a winger don't agree to return to the dugout to coach All-Star Saudi team. And this All-Star Saudi team, it comprises of players from Al Hilal of Saudi Arabia and Al Nassr. So they go play match against PSG. And this match will take place between December 23 to January 9. So now this Reader Cup, now they won't play. Now they're friendly, but cup they at stake. So this one will be the first time where Arsene Wenger will come back from in exile, when he talks say no one coach again, come back, come coach this All-Star Saudi Arabian team. Well, we never know whether that one sign of things to come. Maybe after that one one club will come reason and say, "Oh yeah, Baba, come coach us." Go shock you now. Maybe Newcastle now will bring her back. Say, "Okay, the professor, come and coach our All-Star team. Anybody who points in you want, now we'll go buy for you." Oh yeah, come back. Whether Baba will be tempted. Man, who they watch and see, sha? Arsenal journalists say that they call Charlie Watts don't come outside the choke mouth for this Balogun matter. So Baba when they talk say, like wetin Kevin Campbell talk, say it go make sense, make this guy go out on loan, go challenge himself for championship. You know, see they don't already promote this guy to Arsenal first team. Even see at the beginning of the season, then give him some kind chances, make him try and lock that Baba don't go perform up to expectation. Even though they don't promote him, they let them play all those under 23 games. And you say not be senior man already, they don't pass all those stage. So if you go there, they dominate them, the boss nets, week in, week out. So you're gonna be like say in they very good. So Baba they talk say make him know they play that under 23 game, make them ship him out for January, go championships, like any championship, just go there, go test yourself against defenders. Before you call it test yourself against defenders for EPL, just check yourself there. You know whether I go to boss nets week in, week out. A lot of people don't do them before, so nobody be the last person or the first person who can't do them. Go try them, go see how your level be. So we never know how this one will be. Now everything I take a hand in it. So I just hope that I will send the guy out because the guy has surplus to requirements. With everybody fits, he no go fit play shishi. So we send her out on loan. I even get another thing to say when they bust my brain about this Chamberlain move to Arsenal from Liverpool. So I probably ask questions say instead of us going for Chamberlain, why we not go for Awa? We have no reason now. Okay, if you know if you go for Awa, why we not go for Van der Beek? You know, say this Van der Beek say na senior man for Ajax that year. Who they can't sign up for Manchester United, but until Ole self get plenty players now. So the guy already surplus the requirements, only for Benjamin. The guy they very unhappy. So if you go for Holland, they will play well. If you go for Manchester United, go there for Benjamin. So that's why they ask say, why not to buy Van der Beek? If we did cheap ourselves, or why not to buy Awa? People need midfielder. Why Oxlade Chamberlain? Now what me just the reason? I how I see this one. Let me know your thoughts for the comment section. So my dear football lovers, here will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again and give you a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. I see that bell notification icon with it there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop one. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless.